In our video this time, I'm going to be discussing how to create content that is content, then website we use Bootstrap. If we check in here, let's check like this. Then later we'll put it underneath this. It's content or it's content. The way is pretty easy. Well, I just hide this first. Regular length like this is the script or the coding. This is me hiding the coding. Like this, so just stay this one. Then I will use. Later on we're going to use awesome font. So we put it in first. Linya. Font awesome. Just type font awesome CD. Okay. We click on the top one. Then, pick the top one, copy its URL. Then here I paste CTRL plus V. Type a script like this. Well, it's become like this. Okay, yeah, it's become like this. Next up, guys, here we can type the script. You do it. New class. Container fluid. Then we make a packet. We just point it. Its ID OH, not a packet means we make here later. Just lion yeah. Layanan. Its ID next. Here we make the script like this. It's not 5 pixels, but there are 5 built-in from Bootstrap. The padding button is also 5. Well, it's in the less than div a per div, greater than. The script. Okay. Well, in div class equals text center container. We add type layan. Oh, this is wrong. This is no ID, my friends, layanan only. I typed wrong. This one has layanan ID. New here, type layanan. Like that. Then here we make lorem. Like that, we just enter let it down. Let it be seen. Well, like that. Press Ctrl plus S to save it. Padding top for. Let's do it like this. Next we make it again here. It's class. Okay, it's become like this. Press Ctrl plus S to save it. Try to see the results here. Ah, this is it. Already popped up like this, yeah. This is what I mean I want to fill this content. If too large the text layanan can be reduced letters. Okay, after select this. We're gonna add the icon we took from Font Awesome. So we take the icon from Font Awesome. We will try to get the icon for. In packet, we add icon. Later, we can edit this packet. Again, this is so that the writing can be seen first. There will be an icon here that we took from Font Awesome. How to take it? I already gave its CD. Next, to pick it up, guys can do Japan. This way, just type it here. Font Awesome. Well, like that. After that, the top one. Which of course, my friends, yeah, we take the top one. Well, after taking the very top, just choose the start. For free. Well, there it is. Later friends are directed here. Well, which one to choose? Friends can choose. Later, he icon. View all new icon. Well, there he is. Well, after that, choose the free YA friends YA. Don't be a pro. Pro he paid the free, for example. I took the first icon, for example. Choose coding. It's free. It looks like we'll try it first. I have never tried it either. I'll just take this one. Click, it will appear like this, free, why? This we block like this. Direct it to copy if we select. It's directly copied. Then, next open the coding, friends. Put it here. Press Ctrl+V to paste it. Do not forget to save by pressing Ctrl+S. Already featured, but the icon is small. After succeeding, iconic look like this we will try to do. Explore, against the icon. This is how I just took a class. Its name is Span. The name of the class is icon. Then, this one I just cut. I choose, press Ctrl+X. Well, after that, this has worked. After that, guys, we are going to class. In our C. That is precisely in the file, style.css, that we've made before. Well, here we will make the class icon. Well, like that, yeah guys, yeah. Next, we'll fill nothing. The script. Okay then. Well, after I made it like this is the result. Yes, continue, we see the results well. Like this. No, this not to the middle, we put it to the middle. Should we add the script like this? So let's make another class here. Do not forget to save by pressing Ctrl+S. Well, already in the middle. It's right into the middle. But this icon is small. The icon is small. The icon is small. So we have to change. We're going to increase the size of this icon. Let's try to see the results. Like this big. The icon has changed its size, but less to the middle. Must CSS that we set. In the middle, try this top, we give 30. Well, like this means you can. To the middle, yeah? It's already beautiful. Well, let's just change this. For example, we change this packet to Belajar Laravel, for example, like that, yeah. So this one we change the package is Belajar Laravel. Example. Well, like that. Already beautiful, right friends? That's how friends. Well, for the others, just copy it. This script moved here. Just change the icon in the next video. Later, try us. Add another one underneath. Okay, I think. This is my video tutorial. Hopefully, the video This is useful for those who have not subscribed. Please subscribe, turn on the bells for get the latest updates on our videos. Okay, thank you.